About 18 months after its North American premiere, the new Honda CR-V is finally ready for its European debut. The SUV, previewed by a concept of the same name in September last year, will arrive in Geneva next week to show its new technologies, overhauled design, and new powertrains. Speaking of the engines, the new CR-V will become the first Honda SUV to receive a hybrid system for the old continent. The so-called Intelligent Multi-Mode Drive i-MMD technology uses a 2.0-liter i-VTEC gasoline engine, working on the Atkinson cycle, supported by 2 electric motors. It DOEs and have a conventional transmission and instead features a more compact unit with a single fixed gear ratio. No exact power and fuel consumption figures are available at the moment, but Honda says the new CR-V will also go on sale with a 1.5-liter turbo gas engine. It will be mated to either a standard 6-speed manual or an optional CVT automatic. In the United States, this unit delivers 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque, so expect similar numbers for Europe, too. For the first time in many years, no diesel options are planned. As standard, customers will be getting front-wheel drive vehicles, but both the hybrid and the 1.5 turbo models will be able to be specified with Honda's latest all-wheel drive. Slightly larger than its predecessor, the SUV has a longer wheelbase and wider stance than before, providing more room for the passengers inside the cabin. For the first time in the history of the model, it will be available in a 7-seat configuration. The Japanese manufacturer promises the third row of seats offers exceptional legroom and hill step height, as well as a 101-degree seat angle to ensure long-distance passenger comfort. Deliveries of the gasoline-powered variant on the continent should start this autumn, while the hybrid CR-V will be made commercially available early next year.